Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be sharing my detailed review of A-Sub Sublimation Ink, a product designed to deliver bold and vibrant colors for your sublimation projects. Whether you're new to sublimation or looking for a reliable ink for your next crafting venture, this review information you need. I'll cover the ink's features, tests I've come across in my research, and how it compares to competitors. Before we get started, make sure you visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. You can also find a link to my detailed review article of sublimation inks below, which also includes guidance on where to purchase from a reliable supplier. What is sublimation ink? For those unfamiliar, sublimation ink is a dye-based ink that turns into gas when exposed to heat. This allows it to bond with polyester fabrics or polymer-coated materials, resulting in long-lasting, vibrant prints. A-Sub Sublimation Ink is specifically engineered for Epson EcoTank printers, offering a convenient and reliable solution for sublimation enthusiasts. Features of A-Sub Sublimation Ink. Wide compatibility. A-Sub Sublimation Ink is compatible with various Epson EcoTank printer models, including the ET2760, ET15000, and ET2803. This makes it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. Vacuum-sealed packaging. One standout feature is its vacuum-sealed packaging, which prevents air exposure and ensures the ink stays fresh and ready for use. This added protection can help avoid common issues like dried-out ink. Complete kit. The ink bundle includes syringes and needle attachments for easy refilling, giving users everything they need to transfer the ink into their printers with minimal hassle. Vibrant and consistent colors. A-Sub ink delivers bright, bold colors across various substrates, making it ideal for creative projects like t-shirts, tumblers, and mousepads. Affordable price. Priced competitively. A-Sub Sublimation Ink provides excellent value for its quality, especially for crafters looking for professional-grade results. Tests I came across. In my research, using A-Sub Sublimation Ink test. 1. Printing on a mousepad. One of the most exciting tests I witnessed involved using A-Sub Sublimation Ink on a sublimatable mousepad provided in their bundle. Steps followed. Preparing the design. A full-color fall-themed design was printed onto A-Sub sublimation paper using an Epson EcoTank ET2760 printer filled with A-Sub ink. Adjusting the dimensions. The image was resized to fit the 8010 mousepad, ensuring no parts of the design were cut off during pressing. Pressing the mousepad. The printed design was taped onto the mousepad using heat-resistant tape. A heat press set to 400 degrees was used to press the design for 60 seconds, with a Teflon sheet placed on top for protection. Results. The final print was stunning, with vibrant orange and pink hues that stood out against the white mousepad. The ink transferred evenly, and the colors were rich and bold, giving the illusion of glitter embedded in the design. Test 2. Printing on a tumbler. Another test involved using A-Sub Sublimation Ink to create a personalized tumbler. Steps followed. Printing the design. The same Epson EcoTank ET2760 printer was used with A-Sub sublimation paper for the transfer. Taping and wrapping. The design was taped onto the tumbler with heat-resistant tape to prevent movement during sublimation. Silicone wraps were used to ensure even pressure around the tumbler. Pressing the tumbler. The tumbler was placed in a convection oven set to 400 degrees for 6 minutes. Results. The colors were equally vibrant, and the design adhered seamlessly to the tumbler's surface. The ink's ability to maintain its brightness even on curved surfaces like tumblers was impressive. Test 3. Comparison with old ink. In a comparison test, A-Sub Sublimation Ink was evaluated against an older sublimation ink previously used in a Workforce 7210 printer. Steps followed. Color test. Prints. The older ink produced dull blacks and grays, while A-Sub ink delivered sharp, vivid results with consistent saturation. Final thoughts. The difference in quality was night and day, with A-Sub ink emerging as the clear winner in terms of vibrancy and reliability. In terms of pros of A-Sub Sublimation Ink, freshness. Vacuum-sealed packaging ensures long shelf life and prevents drying. Vibrant colors. Consistently produces bold and rich prints on various substrates. Compatibility. Works seamlessly with Epson EcoTank models. Value for money. Offers professional-grade quality at an affordable price. As for the cons of A-Sub Sublimation Ink, mess. During refills, syringes and needle attachments can cause minor spills if not handled carefully. Printhead cleaning required. As with many sublimation inks, printhead cleaning may be necessary after installation to achieve optimal results. Comparison to competitors. Compared to HIPOO. Sublimation ink, A-Sub's vacuum-sealed packaging provides a slight edge in freshness and shelf life. While both inks deliver vibrant results, HIPOO's syringe-free bottles may be more convenient for refilling. In conclusion, A-Sub Sublimation Ink is an excellent choice for anyone looking to achieve professional quality prints without breaking the bank. From mousepads to tumblers, this ink consistently delivers vibrant and bold colors that stand out. While the refilling process may require some care, the ink's overall performance makes it a reliable and cost-effective option for sublimation projects. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. You can visit my website, link in description below, or search for my brand Color Vistas online for more resources. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more similar videos. See you in the next video.